How to create another TikTok account with the same phone number. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create another TikTok account with the same phone number. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. After you do that, go to the profile section on the bottom right. Now here, you will need to add another account. To do that, tap on your profile on the top right and you will see switch account section. Tap on add account. Now right here, you will be able to log in with your same phone number, but there might be some issues. So to fix that, what you can do is you can log in with your Facebook or Apple account or Google account, but linked with the same account. If you do that, you will be able to create another TikTok account, but with the same phone number. So it's that simple, guys. All you gotta do is use a different medium like your email or your Gmail or your Apple account or your Facebook. And that is basically it. That is how you do it. And thanks for watching, guys. That is how you can create another TikTok account with the same phone number. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.